Racing just is started. We have Erika's talent break. Quickly restart. Shut up is on the outside for Evermore. Boyo Sol and Victus comes next. Head Honcho. Geronimo comes next. Terrible Heart. Precious Metal. Robin Good flash away. Naglalabyog is Spitfire while Bobon Lancer is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have for Evermore Erika's talent alongside two lengths away. In third comes Boyo Zol and Victus now moving up to take fourth. Shut up comes next. Head Honcho. Geronimo Terrible Heart. Flush away comes next. Precious Metal. Then next online now is Naglalabyog. Robin Good is Spitfire second last. While Babon Lancer is still racing in 14th. Inside the tres octavo. The lead now belongs to Sol and Victus by our length and a half. Erika's talent drops back in second. Boyo is down in third. Next online is Shut Up. Geronimo now coming closer. Flash away like twice now moving up. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Sol and Victus by about 5 lengths. Moving up now to take second. Shut Up with about 100 meters of the race. We have Sol and Victus followed by Shut Up in second. And finally, it's going to be Sol and Victus. Shut Up, then comes Erika's talent, flash away, Geronimo and Naglalabyog.